Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we're going to have reading time. Student book pages 38 to 39, workbook page 31. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Use a new vocabulary and sentences correctly. 2. Skim the text to answer some comprehension questions. 3. Scan the text to get specific information. And 4. Talk about the text. Objective 1. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use a new vocabulary and sentences correctly. Now let's see them. Go to your student book, exercise 1 on page 38. We have furniture, insect, wood, cut down trees, plant trees, graph, oxygen, and important. Now please repeat after me. Furniture. Furniture. This is furniture. Insect. Insect. This is an insect. Wood. Wood. This is wood. Cut down trees. Cut down trees. The man is cutting down the tree. Plant trees. Plant trees. The boy is planting a tree. Graph. Graph. This graph shows some information more clearly. Oxygen. Oxygen. There isn't any oxygen on other planets, only on Earth. Important. Important. It is very important to take care of our planet. Important means necessary. Now go to your workbook, exercise 1 on page 31. Read and circle A, B, C, or D. Let's see the first one. We use to make paper. Excellent. Wood. Now I'll give you 1 minute to do the rest. Yes. 2. People cut down trees to build houses. Yes. 3. We can't live without oxygen. 4. Many birds and insects live in trees. Well done. 5. People use wood to make furniture. And 6. Look at this graph. It shows how much glass people recycle. Now put a graph in a sentence. Yes, he drew a graph on the whiteboard. Objective 2. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to skim the text to answer some comprehension questions. Go to exercise 2 on pages 38 and 39. Now in this exercise, we have a text. We have more trees, please. We have a tree, we have some birds, and we have a graph. So it seems to be that we are going to read about something related to the environment. What I want from you now is to underline the new vocabulary we have learned today. Yes, we have important, oxygen, insects, wood, cut them down, plant, cut down trees, cut them down, furniture, plant new trees, graph, and plant some trees. Next, read and answer. What do trees give us?
What do trees give us? More trees, please. Why are they important? Trees give us many things, like oxygen. We can't live without it. Homes. We don't live in trees, but small animals, birds and insects do. Food. Fruit and nuts. Wood. We use wood to build houses and make paper, pencils, and many more things. Trees can live for many years, but people cut them down and they do not plant new ones. Why do we cut down trees? People cut them down to build more houses and buildings because cities are growing. To make furniture. We must save our forests and trees.
So what do you think? Yes, what do trees give us? Trees give us wood, food, and oxygen, and they provide homes to small animals, birds, and insects. Now go back to the text, read it in 1 minute because I'll ask you some comprehension questions. Yes, number 1. Do trees live for many years? Yes, they do, but we must replace them when we cut them down. 2. How many years does it take for trees to grow? It takes them 15 till 20 years to grow. 3. What does the graph show? It shows how much paper people in Europe recycled from 2010 till 2012. 4. What can we do with our families to help? We can plant trees the next time we enjoy a walk in the forest. Objective 3. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to scan the text to get specific information. Go to exercise 3 on page 39. Read again and complete. Now let's see the first one. Trees give us homes, wood, food, and oxygen. Now I'll give you 2 minutes to do the rest. Yes, 2. People cut down trees because they want to use the wood to make paper and pencils. 3. People also cut down trees because they want to build more houses and buildings. 4. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. 5. You can reuse paper to clean windows. Well done. Objective 4. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about the text. Let's chat. Is there a park or a forest near your house? What can we do when we are at home to save the trees? What can we do when we are at school to save the trees? And what other things can we do to protect the environment? Yes, you can say, there is a park near my house and I like going there. Or there isn't a park near my house. We can save the trees at home by recycling the paper we write on or by using it to clean windows. At school, we can write on both sides of the paper and not waste it. We must protect the environment by recycling, planting new trees, and not polluting. Now to end everything, go to your workbook exercise 2 on page 31. Read the text in the student's book again and write T for true or F for false. Now I'll give you 3 minutes to do this exercise. Yes, number 1. Small animals live in trees. True. 2. Trees can't live for many years. False. 3. People cut down trees to make furniture. Well done. True. 4. Trees take 5 to 10 years to grow. False. 5. You can use old paper to clean windows. True. Your homework is to go to your workbook exercise 3 on page 31. Thank you very much.